This product has been hyped for years and I also wanted to try this one out since very long, but I was very skeptical like whether this will be suitable for my Cometon and acne prone skin, but finally got my hand on this mini version and tested it out. But now let's see, do I love it? Did it work for my skin or not? This is Laneige Creme Skin. It's a toner and moisturizer, so you can see it's a hybrid. It's a 2-in-1 product जिसमें आपको क्रीम का भी बेनिफिट मिल रहा है and toner का बेनिफिट भी मिल रहा है. This is an innovative lightweight texture. This is enriched with Serapeptide to deeply nourish, visibly firm and strengthen the skin moisture barrier. They recommend this one for normal to dry skin, and so that's why I was staying away from this product, but finally I have got it. But now let's see whether this has worked or not. Here are the two outer packagings. One came with the kit I recently got from the Nykaa sale and the other I purchased individually 2-3 months back. At first glance they look almost identical, only the front design is slightly different. Even when I checked the ingredients, they seemed nearly the same. The inside packaging also has minor differences. The bottle and the cap are exactly the same, but again the front print varies slightly. So this contains bunch of humectants. On the top of the ingredient list we got meadowfoam seed oil, got some fatty alcohols, we got squalane, plant sugars are there. We also have some of the plant extract, we got hyaluronic acid, green tea leaf extract, ceramide NP, camellia flower extract, vitamin E, and lastly we got one peptide. You see this got ceramide which will help to strengthen the skin barrier, nourish your skin, got peptide which will smooth out the fine lines and wrinkles, white leaf tea which is rich in amino acid which will soothe the skin. Texture, absolutely love the texture of this one. It has a beautiful milky consistency, not oily but watery. And look at this, this was so disappointing. The nozzle on this one is huge, which means the product just gushes out with no control. So I thought maybe they have improved the packaging in the newer variant, perhaps a sleeker or more precise nozzle, but nope. I was disappointed again. The nozzle is still just as big, but yes, the texture feels really light. However, when you layer it once or twice, it starts feeling like a liquid moisturizer on your skin. For my skin, I can't go beyond 3 layers of this toner because it gets too much for my face. But the glow it gives after just 1 or 2 layers, oh my god, it's amazing. And to my surprise, this has worked really well on my skin. Like for my acne prone, Cometon prone skin, this has suited really well. I haven't seen any Cometons or acne on my face. That was surprising, yes. But I think इसके अंदर सिर्फ एक oil डला हुआ है. I don't know how, but this has worked really well. I have used it in the morning routine, following up with the sunscreen, and during the night after 3 layers I used to apply my serums and the moisturizer, but still this has worked well. Like I don't feel like, it doesn't feel heavy, sticky and uncomfortable on the skin. But like I said, only 3 layers. I can't go more than 3 layers. So no surprise, I have loved it and have repurchased it already. If you have seen my Nykaa ka haul, you know कि ये kit में available था and I have grabbed that kit. But I would love to grab the bigger bottle of this one because this one is a beautiful milky toner. Highly recommended from my side. It's a big yes. So yeah, that was it. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, press the bell button so you never miss any of my videos. I'm going to see you in my next. Until then, take care.